Every day, we're presented with new things. New cars, new planets, new songs. But it's often just rehashed versions of previously seen things. Hipsters, mustaches, and folk music. Today, I want to share with you a company truly new and unique. Gemini. And how the Gemini Hustle Plan can help grab hold of the life you always wanted. You've seen comp plans before. They take the same 25 to 45% of a product or service and pay it out in the same way, shape, or form to the people who helped share it. This can get tricky real easily. Balance your legs, firm up your positions, rank up a triple black ruby pearl for an extra share of a pie. You get the idea. That cliche ends today. Gemini is changing it. Gemini is taking it back to the basics. Do this means earn this. Simple, right? Good. The Gemini Hustle Plan works in 4 ways. First, retail. Share your Gemini replicated store with a contact who purchases online from you, and you make the retail to wholesale difference. Easy peasy, like the way it's been done for thousands of years. Second, pack bonuses. When someone signs up with you and buys a starter pack, you get a set bonus up to $250. Cha-ching, baby! Third, the FloodGate bonus. The first 2 things we talked about were kind of standard to anyone who's drawn some circles on a napkin, but here's where stuff gets fun. Gemini took the idea of needing to be a rocket scientist to understand the payout, threw it out the window, and replaced it with the FloodGate bonus. In essence, narrowing it down focuses on 3 things. 1. Total group volume. 2. Active customers and promoters. And 3. Your personal volumes. Basically saying, share Gemini products with your contacts. They will love them and buy them and naturally turn into product promoters. Then, when you invite them to join you, your volume will naturally grow. When it does, you earn a set amount per month. For example, if you're a star promoter with at least 2 people on your team and 400 in volume, you're going to earn $100 a month. As a premier 100K with 4 customers and 100,000 in team volume, you'll earn $10,000 a month. No guessing what your check might be. No worrying if you're going to get cut off from breakage. No forcing people into matrices or playing catch-up with your power leg. Just build your team and Gemini pays you at the rank you qualify at. Lastly, if you're hustling like a boss, you should roll in a boss car. Gemini's car program pays you a set amount per month just like the FloodGate bonus, but you get to put that money towards your sweet ride. How much more money do you need to make each month? How soon do you want it? Gemini has the tools to help you do it. Join us today and experience the Gemini Hustle.